In 1986, two men opened a door that had been locked for centuries. What they found inside made one of them refuse to speak about it for 30 years. They had discovered the Basilica Cistern, buried deep beneath the streets of Istanbul. But that was just the entrance. The real danger lay far beyond it, in a city below the city that no map officially records. Cappadocia, Turkey. Beneath the soft volcanic rock, an entire hidden world was carved out by ancient hands. We're not talking about a few caves. We're talking about Derinkuyu, an underground metropolis that plunges 18 levels into the earth. It had stables, churches, oil presses, and a ventilation system so advanced that even modern engineers are stunned. It housed 20,000 people, and it was sealed from the inside. The further you descend, the more the air changes. It gets heavy, like a hand pressing on your chest. Slightly slower, corridors narrow into low, claustrophobic passages that force you to crawl. Then you spot the massive circular stone doors, half-ton rolling barriers that could be closed in seconds from only one side. They weren't just hiding from the weather. They were hiding from something they were terrified would follow them down.
What makes this the most dangerous place on Earth isn't the structural collapse risk, which is real. It's the sheer scale of what we don't know. In 1963, a man knocked down a wall in his basement and found a tunnel. That tunnel connected Derinkuyu to another underground city over 8 kilometers away. To date, over 200 of these subterranean settlements have been discovered in the region. But geophysical surveys suggest we found maybe 5% of what's down there. Dozens of known entrances remain intentionally sealed by the Turkish government, with no official reason given. We are standing on top of a honeycomb of unexplored voids that could stretch all the way to the Mediterranean Sea. Entire ecosystems have evolved in that absolute darkness. We don't know what's breathing in there,